Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Today we're in Estate Shoys at one of the best lots way up on top of the hill with 360-degree views. This home is located on plot 110 Estate Shoys. This is 1.7 acres of prime property. It's one of the best houses in the neighborhood and it's got some amazing features. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath main house plus a 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest apartment down below. Beautiful pool, clock tower, and like I said, 360-degree views. And Estate Shoys is just a short walk to the Buccaneer Beach Resort and Spa. And it's only about a 5-minute drive to downtown Christiansted for the ultimate in shopping and dining. And imagine just walking down the streets of Christiansted. Beautiful architecture everywhere. The steeple building, the fort. It's really, really cool. Here on St. Croix, we're blessed with 365 days of beautiful sunny weather. So you might as well take advantage of it. Not just by hanging out by the pool, but power in the house. It's got a full-on solar system and even has Tesla battery backup. That's sweet. All right, guys, now that you got a good overview of the house, let's go check it out. All right, guys, we're starting in this beautiful, huge car park. Then we're gonna work our way through these wrought iron doors and into this gorgeous open courtyard. Check out this fountain. Runs the whole length of the patio. Amazing, yeah. And here we are right at the front door. Incredible. The most gorgeous living room you'll ever see. Beautiful tray ceilings, all cut coral walls. Unbelievable. And awesome, huge pocket doors that slide right back into their slots. And from here, you step out onto a huge covered patio, runs the whole width of the house, totally covered, so you have a beautiful view west over downtown Christiansted. And then off to the right, looking north, you've got the adjacent islands, St. Thomas, St. John, Tortola, Virgin Gorda. Wow, you can see them all. What a great day to be on the ocean. Okay, enough of the view for now. Let's head in and check out the kitchen. Now notice when you come into the kitchen, on either side of the room, there are these beautiful custom murals by Barbara Gilardi. One depicts the town of Christiansted and the other the town of Frederiksted. It's got a beautiful huge island with a wet bar built in and even a nice little breakfast nook. And the other thing I love about this kitchen is these doors open straight out to the outdoor patio. There's a massive dining room, seating for 12. And just past the outdoor dining area is the master wing. Look at this. More of those gorgeous tray ceilings. This one has central AC and you have your own basic living room right off of the master bedroom. I love that. And then here you come into the master bedroom, beautiful high ceilings, a door straight out to the pool patio, gorgeous furniture, and then straight into a really nice master closet and an ensuite bath. Nice big shower that nooks out off the building. Wow. And I love this double vanity. They've repurposed a beautiful antique into double sinks. Super nice. Okay, that's the master suite. Now let's head back into the living room and we'll work our way up to the guest bedrooms. And I'll show you this full bath on the same level. This is a historic copper that's made into an actual shower. This also doubles as a pool bath, so you can head straight out that door and you're right at the pool. All right, let's work our way up these gorgeous coral steps into 3 guest bedrooms and 2 baths. Off to the left, there's almost like another upper level master suite because you've got the amazing views, nice big room, and a big bathroom ensuite with double vanities, fully air conditioned. And remember, this house has impact glass windows and doors, so hurricane prep here, piece of cake. There's 2 beautiful double doors that opened up to a nice balcony, runs the whole length of the guest wing. And check out those views off to the adjacent islands. Green Key Island, Buck Island, Pole Point, right out over Green Key Marina. Man, it doesn't get any better than this. All right, now we're gonna work our way down the hall, past the stairs, and to the left is the 2nd guest bedroom. Again, that same gorgeous view. Not quite as big as the other one, but still really nice. And here we are at the 2nd guest bath. This services the 2nd and 3rd guest bedrooms. And down at the end of the hall, the 3rd guest bedroom. More gorgeous views, double doors out to the patio, but the best part of this 3rd guest bedroom is the Juliet balcony. Check this out. Juliet! Juliet, where are you, my darling? Bring me a rum and coke! Well, I think you guys all can agree this is one of the most amazing houses on St. Croix. If you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. And in the meantime, have an awesome St. Croix Caribbean day. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that property tour. If you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. And in the meantime, we appreciate your support. Subscribe by clicking here and click up here for some more videos. Until next time, hope to see you soon here on beautiful St. Croix.